Dear students, today I am going to talk about coenzymes. Holoenzyme is made up of apoenzyme and cofactors, where the apoenzyme is the protein part and have active site for substrates, and the cofactor is the non-protein part, which may be organic called coenzymes or inorganic metal ions. Features of coenzymes. Coenzymes are low molecular weight non-protein organic substances. They are heat stable. They usually combine loosely with the enzyme. Coenzymes which combine tightly with enzymes are called prosthetic groups. They can be separated from enzymes by dialysis. They undergo alterations during enzymatic reactions but regenerated unchanged after the reaction. And hydrolytic reactions do not require coenzymes. Groups of coenzymes. Coenzymes can be broadly divided into two major groups. First is those which act by donating or accepting hydrogen atoms or electrons, that is with oxidoreductases, and the second group is those which act by transferring groups other than hydrogen. But all the coenzymes do not necessarily fall into these two groups. This table shows the various coenzymes, their function, groups transferred by them, and their dietary precursor. First is flavin adenine dinucleotide or FAD and flavin mononucleotide or FMN. They help in oxidation reduction reactions. Examples are succinate dehydrogenase, coenzyme is FAD, and amino acid oxidase, coenzyme is FMN. They transfer electrons and their dietary precursor is riboflavin or vitamin B2. Next is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide or NAD and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate or NADP. They also help in oxidation reduction reactions. Examples are malate dehydrogenase, coenzyme is NAD, and glutathione reductase, coenzyme is NADP. They transfer hydride ion and their dietary precursor is nicotinic acid or niacin or vitamin B3. Next is coenzyme Q. It helps in oxidative phosphorylation. It transfers electrons. There is no dietary precursor. Lipoate or lipoic acid. Its coenzyme function is it acts as a coenzyme in pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, etc. And it transfers electrons and acyl groups. There is no dietary precursor. Next coenzyme is biocytin. It helps in carboxylation reactions. Examples are pyruvate carboxylase, acetyl coenzyme carboxylase, etc. It transfers carbon dioxide. Dietary precursor is biotin or vitamin B7. Then coenzyme A. The thiol group of coenzyme A helps in transfer of acyl group. It is a component of fatty acid synthase. It transfers acyl groups and dietary precursor is pantothenic acid or vitamin B5. Next is methyl cobalamin and 5' deoxyadenylyl cobalamin. Methyl cobalamin helps in synthesis of methionine and 5' deoxyadenylyl cobalamin helps in synthesis of succinyl coenzyme A from methyl malonyl coenzyme A. It transfers alkyl groups and hydrogen atoms. Dietary precursor is vitamin B12. Pyridoxal phosphate or PLP. It helps in transamination reactions like alanine transaminase ALT and aspartate transaminase AST. Decarboxylation reactions, for example, histidine decarboxylase. Condensation reactions, for example, ALA synthase, and phosphorylated reactions like glycogen phosphorylase. It transfers amino groups. Dietary precursor is pyridoxine or vitamin B6. Next is tetrahydrofolate or tetrahydrofolic acid. It helps in 1-carbon metabolism in the form of N5-methyl tetrahydrofolic acid, N5-N10 methylene tetrahydrofolic acid, N5-N10 methinyl tetrahydrofolic acid, N5 formimino tetrahydrofolic acid, and N10 formyl tetrahydrofolic acid. It transfers 1-carbon groups. Its dietary precursor is folic acid or vitamin B9. Thiamine pyrophosphate or TPP. It helps in oxidative decarboxylation reactions like pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, etc. It transfers aldehyde groups. Dietary precursor is thiamine or vitamin B1. Next is ascorbic acid. It helps in hydroxylation reactions like hydroxylation of proline and lysine, degradation of tyrosine, synthesis of bile acids, synthesis of epinephrine, norepinephrine, etc. Absorption of iron, and it acts as an antioxidant. It is also known as vitamin C. Next is hydroquinone, which helps in gamma carboxylation of glutamic acid residues of coagulation factors 2, 7, 9, and 10, which is a part of post-translational modification. It transfers carbon dioxide and its dietary precursor is vitamin K. Thiamine pyrophosphate. It is the coenzyme form of vitamin thiamine. It transfers activated aldehyde group. It takes part in oxidative decarboxylation reactions and transketolase reaction in HMP shunt. This is the structure of thiamine, which is also known as 2,5-dimethyl 6-aminopyrimidine 4-methyl 5-hydroxy-ethyl thiazole. FAD and FMN. Structurally, they are heterocyclic isoalexazine ring attached to ribitol, a sugar alcohol. FMN is the phosphorylated form of the vitamin riboflavin. In FAD, AMP moiety is added to FMN from another ATP. They transfer electrons, causing oxidation and reduction. These are the structures of riboflavin, FMN, and FAD. FMN and FAD are prosthetic groups of oxidation reduction enzymes. These enzymes are known as flavoproteins or flavoenzymes. They are tightly bound to the enzyme but not covalently bound. Some flavoproteins contain one or more metals and they are called metalloflavoproteins. Flavin moiety of the flavin nucleotide undergoes reversible reduction of isoalexazine ring to yield the reduced nucleotides known as FMNH2 and FADH2. NAD+ and NADP+. These are pyridine derivatives. These are coenzyme for oxidation reduction reactions and they transfer electrons. These are the structure of NAD+ and NADP+. In oxidized form, nitrogen carries a positive charge, that is why there is a positive sign in NAD and NADP. In the reduced form, one hydrogen atom and two electrons are transferred to NAD and one proton escapes into the environment. Pyridine ring serves as an electron sink. In this diagram, we can see that this coenzyme exists as NAD+ in oxidized form because of the presence of positive charge in the nitrogen atom and NADH in the reduced form. First, NAD+ accepts one hydrogen atom and two electrons. One of the electron nullifies the positive charge and one proton is released into the environment. Reduced form of NAD+ and NADP+ are known as NADH plus H plus and NADPH plus H plus. NADPH is used exclusively for reductive biosynthesis. Pyridoxal phosphate or PLP. It is a derivative of the vitamin pyridoxine. It transfers amino groups, carboxyl groups, etc. These are the structures of pyridoxine, pyridoxal or the aldehyde form, pyridoxamine or the amine form, and pyridoxal phosphate or the phosphorylated form. PLP binds to its apoenzyme via skip base between its aldehyde group and epsilon amino group of lysine residue in the enzyme and via ionic salt bridge between its phosphate and the enzyme. Biotin. It is attached to the apoenzyme by amide linkage to epsilon amino group of lysine residue. It transfers carbon dioxide in carboxylation reactions. It is a covalently bound prosthetic group of carboxylase enzyme. The examples of biotin-dependent carboxylases are pyruvate carboxylase, acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase, propionyl coenzyme A carboxylase, etc. The structures of biotin, the enzyme-bound biotin or biotinyl lysine or biocytin, and the carboxybiocytin where it carries the carboxyl group. Example of biotin-dependent carboxylation reaction where there is carboxylation of acetyl coenzyme A to form malonyl coenzyme A by acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase. The biotin is bound to the enzyme and it also carries the carbon dioxide and it transfers to the substrate to form the product. A. It is derived from pantothenic acid or vitamin B5. It transfers acyl groups. It is required for metabolism of carbohydrate, lipids and protein. These are the structures of pantothenic acid and coenzyme A. This diagram shows the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A catalyzed by the multi-enzyme complex pyruvate dehydrogenase containing three enzyme activities: pyruvate dehydrogenase, dihydrolipoyl transacetylase, and dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase. Here the role of coenzyme A is to transfer the acetyl group from acetyl lipoamide to form acetyl coenzyme A. Tetrahydrofolate. Its precursor is folic acid, which is a terryl glutamic acid. It is reduced to tetrahydrofolic acid by tetrahydrofolate reductase, and it transfers 1 carbon groups. This is the structure of folic acid. These are the structures of tetrahydrofolic acid and different forms of tetrahydrofolic acid like 5-formyl tetrahydrofolic acid, 5-formimino tetrahydrofolic acid, 5-methyl tetrahydrofolic acid, 10-formyl tetrahydrofolic acid, 5,10-methylene tetrahydrofolic acid, and 5,10-methinyl tetrahydrofolic acid. One example of transfer of 1 carbon groups by tetrahydrofolic acid. In this reaction, catalyzed by serine hydroxymethyl transferase enzyme, the hydroxymethyl group of serine is transferred to tetrahydrofolic acid to form methylene tetrahydrofolic acid and glycine. Cofactors. More than 2/3 of the enzymes need metal as cofactors. Metallic cations activating enzymes are magnesium, manganese, zinc, calcium, sodium, potassium, etc. Rarely anions activate enzymes. Example is chloride activate amylase. Mechanism of action of metal cofactors. Ionic interactions between an enzyme-bound metal and a substrate can help orient the substrate for reaction or stabilize charged reaction transition states. They mediate oxidation-reduction reactions by reversible changes in the metal ion's oxidation state. They bring about conformational change in the enzyme. Categories of enzymes are there. Number 1 is metal-activated enzymes, in which metal is not tightly bound and can be exchanged easily. For example, calcium, magnesium, ATPase. Number 2 is metalloenzyme, in which metal is bound tightly and not easily exchanged. For example, alcohol dehydrogenase containing zinc, carbonic anhydrase containing zinc, phenol oxidase containing copper, xanthine oxidase containing molybdenum, and cytochrome oxidase containing copper and iron. This is all about coenzymes. Thank you.